Healthy weekly lunch, Thursday. Turkey sandwich with lettuce, tomato, and mustard. There are several advantages to having a turkey sandwich with lettuce, tomato, and mustard for lunch. Protein source. Turkey is a good source of protein, which is important for maintaining and repairing muscles and body tissues. Easy to carry. The sandwiches are easy to pack and prepare, making them ideal for those who work outside the home and don't have time to cook. Versatile. Different toppings can be added to the sandwich to vary the flavor and keep it interesting. Low calorie. A turkey sandwich with lettuce, tomato, and mustard is a low-calorie option, making it ideal for those trying to watch their calorie intake. Fresh ingredients. Lettuce and tomato are fresh ingredients that add vitamins, minerals, and fiber to the food. Easy to customize. Different dressings such as mustard, mayonnaise, or salad dressing can be added to customize the flavor of the sandwich. Health benefits. Mustard is a healthy choice for sandwich dressing, as it is low in calories and contains natural antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. If you think this video may be useful for some people you know, feel free to share it. Thanks for following us. See you in the next video.